Hey, good day everyone. Here's a look at this carport I put together. It's 20 feet long, 20 feet wide, and 13 feet high. And here's where it's gonna go. But first I need to dig out that right section of wall to make room for this thing. It's too wide. I don't have enough room for it right now. So time to bust out the pick and shovel and the wheelbarrow. I could have rented an excavator for this, but something rewarding about getting out there doing some manual labor, working with your hands, watching your work progress. I squared it off and flattened it out with a flat shovel. Okay, I pulled all the pieces out of the box here now. Just getting them all laid out by part number, piece number. Came with the directions and all the fasteners as well. Gonna start first by putting these bottom pieces together. It's gonna go piece 5 and then 5/8 behind that. All right, so I got my piece 5s and then I got 5A, 5A, 5A. Made sure it's nice and level and flat with the ground. All right, now same thing here. I got piece number 5 and then I have 5A, 5A, and 5A there. Piece 3 just goes on right here. Make sure the holes are facing inboard. All right, what I did is I put a piece number 3 there, then the elbow. Then I put a piece number 2 there, long piece, then another elbow across the top, and then another elbow there, that piece down there. So we got that all in. And I'll just do the same thing for the rest of them. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take my piece number 3 and put it down in there. And actually these things here, I want them facing out. So that way they're up here, because we're gonna put a bracket on for the top. So you wanna make sure that's facing inboard. Okay, there we go. Just get all the poles up. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the fasteners in, get it all screwed in. And here's the fasteners we're gonna use. Everywhere there's a hole like this, these things are gonna go all the way down, and on both sides. This side too. This impact driver made quick work of those fasteners. There's quite a few to put in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put all these pieces up. They're gonna go right up here, across there. So they're gonna go across each one there, right on the elbow. You can see the 2 screw holes there on every elbow, and then also all the way across the top. We install them all with these fasteners right there. Okay, I've got all these pieces put in both sides and up top as well. Now I'm just getting these side brackets in here, these little corner brackets. These right here. You can see they're just going right into these holes there. Those little screws. I'm using a little impact driver too, but I'm going light on it so I don't snap the heads off. So I get these up on all the sides, and then we'll go across the whole peak of the whole thing with them as well. Progress so far. All right, got the top brackets all on. Now it's time to start putting on the roof. We're going to use these self-tapping screws with the rubber grommets around them. Now I chose to do this from the top down because I didn't know where the bottom line would be on each side, if that makes any sense. Didn't want to install it and have it be lopsided, so I had to start with center and work my way down and just tuck each sheet under the other one. I also tucked the sheets under each other from forward to back. And I used this cordless drill and that impact driver, the impact for the self-tapping screws, and then the cordless drill for pre-drilling the holes, or drilling the holes. All right, I got the first row in across the top. And to just keep progressing it section by section. Now just have to finish putting the remaining roof pieces on and then put the little thin metal strips for the roof trim on. If you're looking for a durable, cost-effective way to protect your vehicles and equipment, a metal carport might be the perfect solution. Here's kind of how I handle the other side of this too. Just clamp it, and then you can work your way to the other side and then clamp the other side and then screw it in. And you can remove the clamp and then screw in the other side here and remove the clamp, and just kind of working my way down that way. Helps to have a nice sharp drill bit as well. Compared to building a full garage, metal carports are more affordable and can be installed in just a few hours. Go ahead and take these piece number 8s like this here, and that's going to be our trim along the bottom right here. They get installed with the larger type of self-tapping screw. There it is, got those lower trim pieces all clamped up into place. So I only had enough clamps for 3, but once I screw these in, I'll get that 4th one on the end. They're done. So for screwing in this trim here, they have you using these self-tappers, but I found that these drywall self-tapping screws there, these drywall self-tapping screws seem to work quite a bit better. All right, got that bottom trim all done. Metal carports shield your car, boat, or RV from harsh sun, rain, snow, and hail, helping prevent weather damage and extending the life of your vehicles. I was really happy with this thing. It's a fun project to put together, and it's going to last a long time. Hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching, everybody.